5,000 years ago. In an age when Greece and Rome were but a distant dream, one civilization conceived the impossible and built the unimaginable.
The Egyptians worked on a much grander scale than anyone did for millennia.
Enriched by their conquests and empowered by their gods, the indomitable pharaohs of Egypt built the ancient world's first stone monolith. Its tallest building, oldest dam, most impenetrable fortress, greatest city, and the ultimate monument to one ruler's ego.
It's a clear message. Do not mess with Egypt.
Egypt's engineers boldly redefined the limits of architectural possibility. But their road to eternal glory was riddled with blood, betrayal, and outright disaster. Early summer, 3000 BC. Rain clouds begin to form over the Ethiopian highlands, 800 miles south of the Egyptian border. Before long, a drizzle becomes a torrent, and the slumbering brooks awaken with a furious rush of floodwater, churning blood red with the sun-baked silt of East Africa. Downhill, these streams combine to form the Blue Nile, which accelerates for 850 miles before slamming into its sister river, the White Nile, in Sudan. United, the two rush northward into Egypt as the Nile, a river at the center of a civilization on the rise.
If the flood will not come this year, will be famine. No one will eat. All the Egyptians will be hungry. If the flood will come strong, maybe it can destroy things.
By late July, the Nile spills out over its banks and consumes the entire valley, leveling everything in its path. For 600 miles, from the south of Egypt all the way to the Mediterranean Sea, low-lying villages are washed away, and thousands of locals are left homeless. In Egypt, flooding is an annual event, but devastation on this scale is inconceivable.
Too much water causes a disaster of untold proportions. People's fields were flooded and rotted. Certainly children would have died. There would have been widespread inability to feed families, and we even have